This one may have been too low. You can take one off as up here if you wanted to, like that. But I think 5 handles is like if you get 5, take it, right? This one's feels really safe. Is it gonna get it? Okay. So I went 3 because I have a cushion. Oh man, it's dropping down. This candle needs to close in this box, by the way, boys. If it doesn't close in the box, it's not good. 13 seconds to close in the box. Stop could be at this ultimate swing low all the way down here, but then you're risking a lot of money. You're risking a lot if the stop's down here. Yeah, this is not good. It's not good. It closed below. What am I at? 150. That means we're risking 300 down here. Moving a stop is not good. Oh, jeez. Okay, I'm gonna move it. Oh, dang. That's the gains. That's 150 down. I'm gonna go stay with the sweep of the swing low. If it pulls back into the fair value gap, I'm probably gonna exit a little bit. But I like this entry though. So you can exit as you're pulling back in to preserve your capital, guys. Like this is not a bad exit right now. It's not a bad exit. Heads up, not a bad exit. Not a bad exit. Maybe I take guys. Mark Douglas it. So you can exit here at breaking even, right? Break even here, exit. Profits. I'm gonna exit. I'm just gonna break even on it. I'm fine with it. I've seen it happen too many times where it just runs against us. If it breaks back above, I'll just enter into retest. I exit, guys, so. And played safe. If it breaks back above, I'll just get back in on the retest of the fair value gap. That's break below is not what I want. This is like it is a sweep here in a sense, but it gave me a chance to exit. I'll take it. See that? Man, what an exit. Let's see what happens here though. This is the pivot zone though. I'm gonna be buying a call contract for like 2 weeks out. Probably in the money today. I feel the market's gonna go up today. Let's just like, is there a big war? What's the news over the weekend? What's making this thing go down? Does anyone know? Japanese stocks crash as a global market turmoil begins. Oh Jesus. Global sell-off. Markets are down, but there's no need to panic. Here's why. Okay. We just asked ChatGPT. I'm gonna consider this a fair value gap. Inverted. if we get above this fair value gap, I'll go long again. If we get above this zone first. So this is like what happened to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's dying, bro. I'm sorry it's happening. So like how the daily closed, it's what's important. So this was the Sunday, and the Sunday just like ripped down, and it closed below the fair value gap. That means like I'm not trading it, right? I didn't take my long, and because it closed below, the same thing. You exit on the retest if you did go long on it. So it's not good. I think someone asked where it's gonna turn around, bro. Where is it gonna turn around? Probably right here. It's probably not a bad spot. Just grab some liquidity. That's a good spot, right? We have that, and then we have like this fair value gap. This is some sort of active resistance. The markets may go up today too, like positive wise. So when you go down to the 1 hour, I'll just confirm off the 5 minute. Hour if you want. Proper way of doing it. 1 hour. You need the market structure shift on the 1 hour, and then you can go long on the 5 minute. So this should be support for a little bit here. Scalp it up today, guys, but we got preserve our capital. I'm not even looking at like our regular setup. Like, what's the regular setup? The 15-minute void, 8:30 highs are over here. Okay, I'm not even worried about that. I'm just looking to catch this turnaround. Yo, thank God I didn't take that. Well, that would have been okay if I took this trade on. This was a perfect execution. Going long 30 handles, it's crazy. Jolly, what's going on, bro? You just missed a 30 handle move that we all caught. On a micro, one micro. Got in right here. Well, yeah. The markets are really wild today. It's because it's crashing. Dude, Bitcoin's down 13%. S&P 500's down 4.3%. Setting times. Setting times to be holding cash. Here we go. We got a void. This is probably going to go up here. We need to get above. Then we can go back in. I'm just scalping it up today, just on micros. We don't really have a move that could happen yet. Just showing you what we're looking at on the daily. This is where I think the markets will flip. Right, we had a huge drop. We're into a void fair value gap break of structure. So we're just retesting it here now. And I think here is a good spot on the daily fair value gap where the markets could turn around. So this is where I'm looking to get in. So the 5 minute looks amazing. Got a void on the 5 minute. You got a fair value gap on the 5 minute. And that's MES though. Let's look at ES 5 minute here. But we have to wait for our thing here. There's no break of structure yet. That's fine. Break structure be up here or here. This area. We can probably see a lot easier on the 1 minute if we get above this fair value. See this, guys, is a fair value gap to the downside, right? So we're not going to be bullish until we break above this fair value gap. All right, so you guys heard me drinking my coffee there. Apologize. Damn, Bitcoin, man. The chain link? Chain link. Yo, What'd I tell you about Chainlink, bro? It's at 8:30 right now. This is where you want to buy it. I'll wait for confirmation on it though, right? So this is the weekly fair value gap here. Maybe you guys, I'll jump on the live. Like I'll make it open for everybody if you guys want to just drop over because I have some time today. So switch over to open voice chat. Oh yeah, absolutely, Jolly. What I look at on ES, sorry, on SPY. So this is how you want to do it. What am I doing? It's right here, Trading View, SPY. So the retirement account, the SPY, it's coming up. Like there's still time on the weekly to buy. Let's see. You want to buy on the moving averages on the daily, right? So we are at the 100 moving average. Right, so this is the 20, I think it's like the 20, 50, don't worry about these two. You want to buy in the 100, you want to buy in the 200. So here's not a bad spot to throw in like a couple $1,000, right? You want to load up on the 200 EMAs. That's the ideal, better place to buy on the 200 EMAs for sure. Um, these are the areas I'm looking at to get into it. And like, if you have stocks that have been running up that you missed the trend or the wave to get into it, you want to buy those stocks right? When the ES or SPY is around these levels. So a lot of people are like chasing stocks at all-time highs and these other foolishness. You want to wait until the SPY is at, let's say, the 200 EMA or the 100 EMA, right? These levels to purchase your shares. So like this is not going to show us where it's at. So I'm just going to draw some yellow lines here really quickly, and it'll give us an idea where we're at here on the 4 hour, right? So we're actually approaching the 200 EMA at the moment, right? So today is a pretty good buying opportunity, in my opinion. I'll buy some in the markets today, 100%. It's not a bad spot, right? And if we're looking at where liquidity is and where the market's gonna go, we literally took out so much liquid. Oh shit! Hold on a second. I'm gonna buy here. Boy, I'm bid. Uh, oh, it didn't fill me on that one. You can't. It didn't fill me on that one. Wow. What time is it? 9 o'clock. Back. Didn't fill it. Stop loss down here. Micros only, guys. This is too big of a risk. This is huge risk here, okay? This is very risky. So micros only today. We're looking to buy, go long today in the S&P 500 for a call contract, actually. Anyways, where were we? should probably take it in. Okay, got it in. Perfect. We got a void here on MES. Okay, that's cool. So yeah, like we could get like a structure shift on the 5 minute, which would be really nice, trading to this fair value gap here. So I might take one off here, and I'll let the other one run for the day to see what comes out of it. What are we at? How many handles? 45 to 50. That's 10 handle move, guys. That's more than enough. So you can take profits on your 10 handle moves. You know, like micros, man. Holy crap. That's huge. That's so big. 10 handles is a lot. So we're just trading micros because today's really a volatile day. 48s to 56. Okay. So, and it's gonna fill this one. No, I didn't take that one. I have my stop down here. We'll try it again if it doesn't work out, right? So we have a little bit of cushion today. That's fine. Going in three. Three might be a little bit too much, but that's okay. I'm not sweating it. Like I said, as soon as we get over this inverted fair value gap, this is where I wanted to get in. And it printed a regular fair value gap on top of it. Twenty ticks is 5 handles. Is that what it is? Yeah. Or was that 10 handles? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So each tick is 25 cents, and then four ticks is one handle. That's pretty good. That's actually really nice right here. And then you can take one off up top here. So sell limit. So you're up, 10 handles here, guys. So you can get out, right? 10 handles. Holy crap! 10 handles is wild. This is a void. This void is going to be a resistance in a sense, right? But we're looking for it to work in our favor. 50 ticks. Boy. Oh boy. Oh buddy. Look at that. Mm. You can take one off here to be safe. This is order block here. I feel this order block's gonna get penetrated. But this is the order block. See this neckline right here? This is resistance, right? I didn't get filled on this third contract. That's okay. Oh. That was like King K method didn't work right now. 100% guaranteed to hit 51.74.50. 80 ticks. But oh, wow. Not a bad spot to take one off though, guys. Spot take one off. Block 50% of the order block just got closed above. See, we close within this void. We need to get above the void on the 1 minute at least. I need to take this off. What's this doing? 1 second to count too. Plane. It's gonna probably spit right through it. Order filled. 100 ticks. You guys seeing this right now? Even a partial. Partial can cover. This is like an area, but no, we won't cover the partial. Buy limit, sell limit, upsell. Not even 930. I can't even buy the call option. The call option should have been bought down here. And this would make like thousands of dollars in one day. Right? Yeah, we missed that. 162 ticks. Someone do the math quickly. How much are we up? How many handles are we up right now? 42? Wow. A lot. Yeah. filled. I know a guy who only trades these extreme zones, and he probably does like 3 trades a month, and like these trades are just bangers. 30K, 40K, 50K. Yeah, but that's literally all you have to do. It's just like these zones and on the daily. Those are like the key zones, bro. I didn't even buy my call contract. I didn't even buy it. I'm fucking fumbling looking for my phone down here. I'm totally okay if this actually corrects even further downwards. Average in. Look in the video. I had August 31st put on this shit for 110. Oh, I would have been a millionaire. Down 7%. I see it happen time and time again. L1, man. What's going on? Fire. Dude, how many contracts were you holding, micros, there on this? Close them all, eh? Yo, let's go. Yo, how many handles am I up, man? Yo, math me up. Fair value gap here is probably, yeah, I'm gonna exit here. Should I go liquidity? This is an exit though, right here in this fair value gap. Well, you just do 284 divided by 4. So like what the ticks, you take that calculator. So so we go 290 divided by 4. That's 72 handles. Yeah, bro. This the exit here. I'm gonna cover here. Not. Ah, I feel me. I'm out. Easy grand. Just chopped it up today. That's it.